How to copy signature from one document to another. So if you want to copy the signature from one document to another, then just follow the steps. First, open up your Word document in which you have the signature. And once you're here, you just need simply click on the image for the signature. And then here on the upper right, you will have the picture format. Click on the picture format, and here you will have an option of crop. So simply go with crop. Here you will have the crop option. Go with crop, and once you click on crop here, you can adjust or simply remove that excess that you don't want, and then simply crop the signature that you want. Once you crop the signature, you can simply copy the signature and then go with the next document. You can open up the next document that you want and then open the document. Once you open, now you need to simply go and paste that here. That's it. That's how you can copy the signature from one document to another. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.